Listen, my boy, and I will tell you about my new venture. The smaller trains must now give way to something of stature. Behold, I give you now the future. Presenting Samsung.
Now his fate is signed away, because Samson's here to stay.
mountains way out west, chugged a mighty little train to them birds in the breeze. Toot, toot, Linus was his name, and Henry was his engineer too. Well, now listen, my boy, I'll tell you about that new venture, them smaller trains that give way to something of stature. Samson said, Linus, be gone. But that brave locomotive kept on. That brave locomotive kept on. That Linus, he kept on and on and on. Olay, 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 olay.